So here I have my twine, and I'm just using it directly off the roll. I have not cut it. And here I have my bundle of sage. It's mostly flowers, as you can see. And I'm gonna start on one end. These have been drying already in the garage, so they're already pretty, I don't wanna say rigid, they've dried out quite a bit already. So I lose whatever leaves I'm gonna lose, I'm losing them easily. So like when I make the bundle, it's gonna be pretty straightforward. The pieces that are gonna stick, the pieces that aren't, won't. So here we go. I've tied a knot on the end. I don't know if you can see that. And now I'm just gonna start wrapping. And I'm gonna leave gaps in between how far apart I wrap. I'm wrapping tight, but not so tight that I'm like cutting off the sage, the leaves of the sage. Also, like I said, I'm leaving some space, a little bit of space in between, but I'm trying to do it in a way that I grab as much of the leaves and make it smooth as possible. Whatever I don't grab, when I come back the other way, I'm gonna do it in a crisscross fashion, and that will grab the rest. This end right here, I'm not too concerned about. As a matter of fact, those are flowers, and they're mostly gonna fall off. So I'm just gonna stop it right there, wrap 2 or 3 times around, and head back the other way. Now when I head back the other way, of course, I'm gonna do it in a crisscross fashion. So you see right there, there's string, I'm crisscrossing it kinda. It doesn't have to be perfect. You want it to kind of look like shoelaces. That's what's gonna keep all of the leaves kind of together. That's what's gonna make it rigid. Again, wrap it tightly, but not so tight that it cuts off the leaves, because that's what you want to burn. And as simple as that. Like that's an extra long smudge stick right there, but that's my smudge stick right there. I'm going to leave about so much, what is that, about 6 to 9 inches of twine at the end, and that's going to be to hang it from so it can dry. When you get to the end, you just basically tie a knot in your twine. Not necessarily the easiest thing, simply because, you know, you've already wrapped it all the way down. So you tie that knot there, and that's what you're gonna use to hang it to dry, just like that. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna hang it to dry like that. And there's my sage stick, my smudge stick. It's gonna take this about a week to 2 weeks to dry, depending on the weather. I will keep it in my garage, so it should dry out pretty fast, and then it'll be ready to burn. That's it, y'all. How to make your own smudge stick.